Let's go bowling. You suck.
And here goes Terry. And going in the gutter. And it's her second attempt. Maybe she can get the other gutter. Hey, come on, make it down there. At least get one pin. I just got two. She got, well, came in from behind. All right, second frame for Terry. I just got a strike. Uh-oh. There she gets one. Can she hit the right side? She got the gutter again. Oh, I forgot to record. See how she goes. Oh, another gutter. Well, she hasn't got a double gutter yet. Hopefully she won't do that now. Start calling it one step. Yeah, it's a double gutter. I jinxed you.
Come on and get your kicks. Now you don't need money with the fence like that, do ya?
And she recovered from two gutters. Oh, she might get one pin. No, she got about two or three.
Wow.
Did I call that or what? And we got some grease when we're bowling. Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! Called turkey.
A turkey. 3 strikes in a row of a turkey. Oh.
This is Terry Strike coming up right now. Watch. He's aiming. Nope. Another gutter. She said rebound. Can she rebound here from the gutter? I don't know. She's throwing a lot of gutter balls. Can she do it? Here it goes. Got the wind up. We got the release. It's right in the gutter. And she said, damn it. Come on, baby. You can do it. You can do it. I got faith. Hey, it's straight. She did it. She did it. Come on. She did it. Oh, she got 8 of them. All right. Can she pick it up? Can she get a spare? Let's see. The world famous female bowler, Terry McGee. Here she is. And